Hello guys, welcome back to EEC's YouTube channel with me, Halida. Today we're going to talk about how to use maybe, perhaps, and probably. Without any further ado, let's get started. All three words are adverbs of probability which describe the possibility of what will happen both in the present and in the future. For the first is maybe. Maybe has a 50% chance of happening and is commonly used in daily conversation. It uses 50-50 and the possibility depends on ourselves. For the example is, maybe we should try that new restaurant for the dinner tonight. And the next example is, I'm not sure if I can attend the meeting. Maybe I'll send an email instead. And the next is perhaps, same with maybe but more formal and is typically used in polite and formal context. For the example is, perhaps we should start the meeting a little earlier to cover all the topics. And the next example is, he didn't respond immediately, perhaps he was busy with other commitments. Maybe and perhaps can often be used interchangeably without changing the meaning. Perhaps is the preferred choice in more formal situation, and it offers greater flexibility in sentence structure. And the last is probably. Indicates a higher likelihood, typically over 50%. It suggests that the speaker believes there is a good chance of something happening. For example is, he probably forgot about our lunch date, so I'll give him a call. And the next example is, they probably won't finish the project on time without additional help. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!